Okay, so can you start it?
Open.
Yes. Do it slowly. It's your first time. Not with a knife. Don't.
I'm just gonna use it to cut the sticker. I'll be very gentle.
Yes.
And it's a butter knife.
Yes, always go with the butter knife. Okay. I still can't see that edge portion of it. Oh. Don't. That's.
Good, boys.
Oh.
My God.
Oh my God. I'm gonna just. That's.
You see the black box?
Yes, you're gonna have to turn it around. There's definitely a message on the other side. And there's a Strix on the side.
And the box is out of here.
Alright, you can just throw that wherever because that's not gonna get damaged.
Get on my head. I'm gonna
Okay.
keep that box. Or should I throw that box away and just keep this one?
No, don't.
Oh,
Ooh,
I didn't even see this.
Strix. I can't see that. It's too far away. It's
Whatever. You'll see it in.
bursting.
Boom.
No, you're opening it away from the camera. You're not allowing us.
Yeah, I know.
It's another box.
It's a box.
In a box.
It's gonna be much smaller. You see this foam?
Yeah.
There's more foam too. Whatever. Wait, what is this? This is. I swear. There's. I'm gonna set this aside real quick.
Whatever's really heavy is just probably the. That's probably all.
That's that over there on my bed. See it?
Yeah.
I just want to open this first because it looks cool.
Abus it. Abus the caboose.
Okay? It does come with Velcro.
Yeah.
We got one Velcro.
One
We
Velcro.
got two Velcro.
Do Velcro,
Got
yes.
more Velcro.
No more Velcro for you.
Look, we got setup stuff. Don't really know what this is.
Yeah.
We're not noobs. Get out of my face.
Even though you are.
Shut up. And I got the video. DVD.
It's drivers. You're not gonna need that.
I can't even use it anyways. I don't have anything to play a DVD on.
Although, actually, I do have a disk drive in my streaming computer that I have right here. And I can take it out. And,
Should I keep it? I should probably keep it.
yeah. Don't throw any of the stuff away. Put it all back in the box.
I know, I'm putting this all back in the box now. You already see that we got some Velcro.
Yes.
Velcro
Velcro, yes.
number 1. Velcro number 2.
Velcro. You're like the TV show, like the
Now
game.
I'm gonna look at this.
You forgot to put back the foam and stuff. In Search of Incredible,
Look,
yes.
this phone goes inside the box.
Yeah, you have to make sure you're gonna be able to put that box back together because
Yeah,
you're
I
gonna.
know. So I'm gonna put this aside, and I'm gonna bring the box back so I can actually review the GPU.
Okay.
Oh my God!
No, you're covering it. You're covering it.
You're not allowed to see.
No.
I tease.
No, please. You have to. He tease.
There you go, Connie. Ready?
Yes. I can't say it.
I turned it around.
Okay, ooh, that plastic. Can I see it more?
It's
Don't! It is humongous. Oh!
Should I take it out?
No, don't! The Fortnite code is not in there. He needs it for the
I don't even know where
Fortnite
my
code.
Fortnite code is. I didn't think it would be this big.
Yeah, it's gonna be huge.
I didn't know that.
It's a 3-fan thing. Although
Why
your
is it tiny?
although your desk is already huge, I mean your PC case is already huge as it is. Is there any stuff under it? Your gold that you got? Mm-hmm.
Well, here's the.
Yeah. What's under it? What is under it? What is under?
Set this aside real quick.
It's touching the butter knife.
Yeah, there's nothing else. I'm Confucian.
You are Confucian. Read the instruction manual.
No, I mean like there is no thing. There is no code. Where's the code?
It's probably in the instruction manual.
Do you think it was a good idea to open it?
Yeah. No, actually, I don't think it really was. Although it's still gonna be completely fine.
I love abandoning children.
My sister says she just loves abandoning children. I'm gonna take my little baby brother. Here is